We started Samuel Pen Co. over 20 years ago. I love taking the raw piece of wood and just making something that is beautiful out of it. And we get to use these exotic hardwoods that come from all over the world. They have different grain patterns, they have different colors. We've got pieces of purple heart that are just deep purple that look amazing when paired with a chrome finish. We've got a red heart that has got some amazing patterns in it as far as the grain. Or zebra wood, which has interesting striations in the wood itself. We feel that each pen needs to have its individual attention, so we hand turn each pen, which therefore makes each pen uniquely different. There's no two pens that are the same because they're never turned the same. One of the things that I really enjoy is hearing from a client that the pen that they purchased feels good in their hand when they write. I love creating a pen for somebody that they're going to use for years to come. And because of that, we're always looking for different styles that are going to appeal to different people, and each style is going to have a different weight, and the wood's going to be a little different weight, and just because each hand is different. We want to make sure that the pen you purchase is something you're going to enjoy using for years to come.